Samsung is minus 6.30% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 6th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Samsung, a global leader in semiconductors and consumer electronics. Samsung is down 6.3% to 230,500 Korean wons in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 228,000 Korean wons and 246,000 Korean wons. The long-term fundamentals for Samsung revolve around memory chip cycle recovery, foundry competition, and smartphone demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung. Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that oil prices plunge and Europe's markets rally after Trump calls off Iran strikes, The Guardian. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by NASDAQ, RE chip stocks snap back after market sell-off, Amazon, Apple move on earnings late, Investors Business Daily. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Siemens plunged minus 5.98% to €268.85 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that going into earnings, is Siemens stock a buy, a sell, or fairly valued? Morningstar. The technical picture for Siemens has deteriorated. The €252.72 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. SoftBank Group made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.41% to 5,695 yen. Equity markets are responding to reports that SoftBank Group's attributable net income dips 18% fiscal Q1, shares fall 4%, MarketScreener.com. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for SoftBank Group is around 5,353 yen and 30 sen. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. Alphabet made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.03% to $362.43. Equity markets are responding to reports that Alphabet quadruples profit to $112 billion, fueled by AI investments, The New York Times. The market has overcorrected on AI disruption risk to search. Google's Gemini integration is strong, and the ad business compound rate is intact. Google Cloud growth reacceleration is the catalyst investors are waiting for. Any data point on enterprise Gemini deals would drive a sector re-rating. Here is our analytical view on Samsung from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung. Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. HBM3 yield rates for AI training chips are the most critical near-term metric. Any positive update would drive a meaningful earnings upgrade cycle. The memory upcycle is intact, but Samsung's foundry losses are a drag. A recovery in smartphone DRAM pricing would add a second earnings lever. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on Samsung from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.